Go ahead, talk.
Hi, everybody. You guys wanted it. This is a Trinidad Scorpion Pepper. I bought this off Amazon. And this is the Carolina Reaper Acha. It's a motherfucker.
No cussing.
Oh, no cussing. I made 2 wings for me and Steve to eat. And he's going to eat it with me. Come on, Steve. Bon appetit.
Oh, there we go. Cheers. This one tastes pretty good.
Wait.
I'm not feeling it. I mean, I feel a little heat, but it's not bad. Are you suffering?
Not yet. But that's the thing. This guy always comes back and gets you.
It's got good flavor though.
It gets hotter.
It's really good.
It gets hotter. It'll really...
I'm not sweating like them 2 Carolina Reapers. Well, my lips are feeling it. Tingle, but nothing like the tongue or your gums or back of your throat or stomach.
It's a
No,
burn.
it tastes good though.
It's a burn.
It's not like the Carolina Reaper. I'll get a Carolina Reaper if you want one.
Yeah, I have
Try this multicolored one.
still.
It's going to turn red one day. It's getting there. It's weird how it turns colors. And then the ghost pepper. There's another. This is a Carolina Reaper. It's a little older. And that's on my tongue. Lips and my tongue, but it ain't bad. So we end the video.
Yeah, that's it.
And then there's much more excitement here. We did her.